Today, we're going to spice up your video with a spin transition. This effect adds a dynamic and energetic spin between clips, making your video feel more polished and visually engaging. Let's get started. First, make sure you have at least 2 clips on your timeline. This will allow you to apply the transition between them. You'll notice a small white square icon between the clips. Tap on this to open up the transition menu. Once you're in the menu, head to the Super tab. Here you'll see two spin options, one that spins clockwise and another that spins anti-clockwise. These options create a cool spinning effect that shifts the scene, giving it a fun, energetic vibe. Choose the direction you like and then adjust the duration slider to control how fast or slow the spin happens. If you want a snappy, quick transition, shorten the duration for a more dramatic slow spin. Extend it to make the transition linger a bit longer. Once you're happy with your settings, just tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've added a spin transition to your video, making it even more exciting and professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.